Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Viber is up to date and you're signed in. Once done, open the chat list and find the conversation you want to hide. If the chat is new, tap it once to load messages. If it's archived, swipe to reveal archives. Make sure you have the contact's phone number or chat name visible. Now long press that conversation to reveal the contextual menu so you can move quickly into the hide options without losing the thread. You'll now long press the chat and select Hide Chat from the menu. If hide isn't visible, choose Archive to keep it out of sight temporarily. Once you pick Hide, Viber asks you to set a PIN or use an existing one. Do that now to secure access. Remember why. Hiding protects privacy and removes the thread from the main list. After setting a PIN, the chat moves to Hidden Chats and is accessible only through the Hidden Chats entry or by entering the PIN. Finally, access Hidden Chats by tapping Search and entering the PIN or by opening the Hidden Chats shortcut. This reveals the concealed threads. To unhide, open the chat, tap the menu, and choose Unhide so it returns to the main list. If you run into problems, like a forgotten PIN or hidden option missing, make sure Viber is updated, restart the app, and check account settings. If necessary, use the app's support tools to reset security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.